Hello, if the equipment is not calibrated accurately, the following problems may result. 1. Processing error. Inaccurate calibration will directly affect the processing of the denture, resulting in a finished product that does not match the design, which in turn affects the restoration. 2. Waste of material. Errors in processing may lead to waste of material, increasing production costs. 3. Increased rework rate. Insufficient precision can lead to a decrease in the quality of the finished product, which in turn increases the possibility of reworking, bringing both time and financial troubles to customers. In this regard, the P55D has obvious advantages in automatic calibration. 1. Intelligent calibration system. P55D is equipped with an advanced intelligent calibration system and automatically carry out accurate calibration to ensure high accuracy during processing. 2. User-friendly interface. The device's operation interface is simple and intuitive. Users can complete the calibration by simply pressing a button without the need for complex operating steps, which greatly improves the user experience. 3. Good stability. Through efficient auto-calibration, the P55D is able to ensure the stability of the machining process and reduce errors caused by improper manual calibration, thus improving productivity and product quality. This auto-calibration function not only reduces errors caused by human operation, but also provides customers with more effective production guarantee and reduces troubles caused by equipment problems. Next, let's take a look at how to carry out automatic calibration. 1. Firstly, make sure the P55D equipment starts up and connects with CNC3 successfully and enters the operation interface. 2. Locate and select the auto-calibrate function on the screen. 3. Follow the prompts to confirm the preparations for calibration and install the calibration stick and calibration disc respectively. 4. After confirming the preparation, click the Start Calibration button. The device will be calibrated automatically without manual intervention. 5. When calibration is complete, you will see a confirmation message. 6. Once calibration is complete, you can continue processing and the accuracy of the equipment is effectively guaranteed. With this simple automatic calibration process, you can ensure that your equipment is running at its optimum condition, improving the accuracy and efficiency of your machining. That's the end of this video. Feel free to follow UP3D on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our official YouTube channel, UP3D Tech. More dental tips we'll share with you. If you're interested in the P55D or have any questions, you can contact us via email at info@up3dtech.com.